want to get paid on Shopify. Let's set that up right now so your money doesn't get stuck in limbo. First, we'll activate Shopify Payments and add your bank info. No delays, no confusion. By the end of this video, you'll have payments ready, shipping rates set, and your store that looks like a real business. Already, you built your Shopify store and added your products. Now, let's make sure you get paid. When I started, I put off setting up the payments. Bad idea, I know. Without it, you're stuck watching orders come in with nowhere for the money to go. Don't make that mistake. Starting off with number 1. Go to Shopify settings and click on payments. This is how you get paid. Shopify will usually recommend Shopify payments first, which is the easiest option. Just click complete account setup, fill in your business details, banking info, and you're ready to go. And please double check your bank account info. No one wants their payouts going to a random account by mistake. Going to number 2 now. If Shopify Payments isn't available in your country, no worries. You can still connect PayPal, Stripe, or other gateways. Even if you have Shopify Payments, it's smart to activate PayPal too, since a lot of customers prefer it. Step number 3. Once it's all set up, do a quick test to make sure your checkout works smooth. A clean payment process builds trust and keeps customers from bouncing mid-purchase. Well, that was easy. Now let's talk shipping. I want you to answer this in the comments. If you saw a product for $39.99 plus $17.99 shipping, would you still buy it? Yes or no, and why? I'll give you some time. Alrighty, so here's the thing. High or confusing shipping costs don't just ignore customers. They make them abandon their cart entirely. That means no sale, no profit, and all your money wasted from your ad. When I started, I guessed my shipping rates, hoping I'd make a profit. Sometimes I ended up paying out of pocket, losing money even after making a sale. Once I learned to keep my shipping simple and consistent, everything changed. Customers trusted my store. My conversion rates went up, and I actually kept my profits, which I'll show you exactly how to do that. Back in your Shopify settings, click on shipping and delivery. This is where we make sure your shipping doesn't scare customers off with surprise fees. You'll see your fulfillment locations and your shipping zones. Keep it simple, one zone for domestic, like the US if that's where you're from, and one for international. That's all you really need starting out. Now, Shopify will usually give you default shipping rates based on weight and size, but we're not using those. Since you're sourcing products through AutoDS, you already know your supplier's delivery time. So if shipping takes 8 to 10 business days, don't promise 2-day delivery so customers won't roll in and surprise you. Moving forward, delete all the default rates, then click on add a rate, choose custom rate, name it free shipping, leave the price blank to make sure it's free, and click done. Do the same for international. Why free shipping? Well, pro tip, to always offer that option. What you want to do is add the shipping cost to your product price upfront. That way, customers see one price, no surprise at checkout, and you get higher conversions. It's all about making buying as easy as possible. Now, if you don't already have a product yet, you can watch this video about the top 5 niches you can sell right now in 2025 to really launch your business. Also, a secret niche that literally no one knows about. So I'll see you there. And if you'd like to see more of this content or tutorial guidance, please be sure to leave a like or consider subscribing for more. So, getting paid and shipping products are the 2 most important parts of your business. Get this set up early so you can focus on scaling, testing, and making real money. Alrighty, your store's one step closer to being fully launched. Like always, this is Julian from Supreme Ecom, and I'll see you in the next one.